Hello everybody, ExoticRacing 831 here, and today we're back with another video, and right now we have a Fast and Furious 3 pack. We have the 1970 Dodge Charger Off-Road, Maximus Ultra Charger, which is an exclusive, and a 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Let's open these babies up. Don't forget, stay tuned because next month we're going to unbox the US Arizona Hobby Boss thing. We're gonna paint this thing and unbox it, so stay tuned for that. Unbox. So it's out. First, let's take out the 1970 Dodge Charger Off-Road. These stuff are heavier than Hot Wheels. These are not like the types I'm used to. Okay, so metal, out-haul, plastic tires. I thought these were rubber. I really like the details, like there's tires there. Also, there's red tampo work in the back and all over white. Let's do this one. Let's do the Maximus Ultra Charger. You see, I don't see any decals in the front, but there it is in the back. Also, plastic tires, metal on the outside. And the Plymouth Roadrunner. This is really detailed, but there's red tampo works in the back. Not in the front, but they even added the bolts into it and the logos right there. Even exhaustions in the bottom. These are really cool. Before we end the video, there is something that there's in the back, the Fast and Furious Filmmaker app. I'm gonna end this one and I'm gonna make a movie with this that I could show it to you guys. I can just clip it to this video, but yeah.